welcome back to my channel, The Math Professor. Today we are discussing a trigonometric identities question, and the question is, show that 1 over ck minus tan A minus 1 over cos A equals 1 over cos A minus 1 over ck plus tan A. Whenever we are solving these type of questions, the first thing that you should do is try to note down all the important results revolving around the terms given in the question. So I have given you the identities for tan A, sec A, and sec square A minus tan square A. So let's get started without wasting much time. The given question can be rewritten in the form 1 over sec A minus tan A plus 1 over sec A plus tan A equals 1 over cos A plus 1 over cos A, or 1 over sec A minus tan A plus 1 over sec A plus tan A equals 2 cos A. So this is what we want to prove. Now let's get started with the left-hand side. After rewriting the question, the left-hand side is 1 over sec A minus tan A plus 1 over sec A plus tan A. If you take LCM, we will get sec A plus tan A plus sec A minus tan A divided by sec A minus tan A times sec A plus tan A. In the numerator, you can cancel out plus tan A and minus tan A. So we get the numerator as 2 sec A, and the denominator is in the form of A minus B times A plus B, and which is equal to A squared minus B squared. That means we'll get sec square A minus tan square A in the denominator, and we know that sec square A minus tan square A is 1. So we got 2 sec A, which is same as 2 over cos A. That means this is equal to the right-hand side. And there you go. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.